Okay, number 19 is circle equations. And so here's the equation for the circle. And the formula for that, remember, is x minus actually we used, I think, h and k here. Sorry, so it's x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals radius squared. Okay, so what that means is that h and k is actually the center of the circle, the h comma k, and then this 38 represents radius squared. All right, so basically, if you look, h is 5, so h is just going to be 5 in our equation, and k is going to be 0, right? When we don't have anything here, it's just a 0. So our center of our circle is 5, 0. And then as far as the radius goes, this is radius squared. So if we just say like radius squared equals 38, then it makes sense that r, if we square root both sides, r would just be square root of 38. So our radius is whatever the square root of 38 is, and the center is 5, 0. So that would be letter F. So that's partially just remembering this circle equation that looks like that. And it sort of ends up being reverse, right? Because there's a minus in the equation, if this is negative, your x-coordinate is actually positive, and vice versa. So if there was a plus here, if it's like plus 5, then your center would have been at negative 5 down here. So it ends up sort of being opposite because the original equation has a minus in it.